Recore International is established and opening in Dallas, Texas, the wireless and telecom communication hub of the United States, to provide better service to the local customers by shortening the turnaround time while providing cost-effective supply chain solutions. It's more convenient and trustworthy for our customers to have their broken screens remanufactured locally rather than being refurbished in China. With an increasing daily capacity of over 500 pieces, Recore is expanding their service to more and more enterprise customers and repair stores.
Recore 的战略是把中国制造的高效和快捷复制在美国达拉斯，在全球范围内提供最优质的本地化服务。
Recore provides cost-saving solutions for our customers, enabling them to focus on their core business. Our gain in market share is solely attributed to our understanding of their quality standards and ability to adhere to those quality standards.
Every single finished LCD is stringently tested according to the customer inspection criteria.
All POs are fulfilled according to customer required turnaround time to meet their production schedule.
Quality,
teamwork,
efficiency,
fast turnaround,
global support,
Recovering core value.
We are here.